everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with Bibi and Charlie. Bibi's decided to show off her beautiful dress, and Charlie was watching, but he just went into the living room. He says, oh, videos, not interested. Have a diamond painting unboxing for you. Stuff is very boring for Bibi. She decides to just take a nap. Let's see. It's China mail. It is very well bubble wrapped. Let's see what we got. And there's the drills and an inventory sheet. Oh, this is a watercolor wagon full of flowers. I just love this one. It was so pretty. I'll try and get the canvas out. It's wrapped around a foam core. Is that it? Oh, no, there's a toolkit inside. So here's the tools. It's the white boat with the funnel, a single pink pen, some tweezers, some bags, and a chunk of wax in there. Nice little kit. I like the white boat. Anything with a funnel makes me happy. Let's take a look. I did not get this in a huge size, but I think it's big enough to show the detail. You know, people always say bigger is better, but it really depends on the resolution of the picture, if that makes sense. If you ever have a picture and you try to blow it up and it gets really grainy and pixelated, that's because it's not a high enough resolution for such a big image. So sometimes these diamond paintings, you get them in a huge size and suddenly they look blurry. And so it's good to work with somebody. That's why I like working with Stitch Diamond. She gives you an honest opinion of whether or not the picture is suitable to be that size. So here it is. It is a wagon that is just loaded with flowers. You can see that. Let me show you up close. I like to show the background because that's the test for me. See all the colors in there? This is a full drill round in a 40 by 30 size. The symbols are very clear. A lot of them have a dark background though. I mean, it'll show up fine on the light pad, but there's a lot of greens and browns in the wagon part, not the flowers. And there are 15, 20, 25, 30 colors, which is pretty nice for this size. And I just think that's going to be lovely and charming. Very pretty. I've been looking at watercolors lately because I feel like they translate very well to a diamond painting. And that's the end. I'll catch you in the next video. You have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.